So in this video, we are going to talk about how to install the VirtualBox on your Windows 11 system. We need to visit Bing or google.com and you can write VirtualBox download and just press enter. Once you press the enter, it will ask you to download from this website. So you can go to the virtualbox.org and try to open up this website, and it is available with the different platforms: Windows host, Mac OS, Linux distributions. So we need to visit here as we are on the Windows system. Just click on it and you are able to download the VirtualBox. So this file, you have to run it once it is downloaded. And it is asking for the Windows permission. So you have to say yes to run this application. And it is on my next screen. Let me show you what are the steps to go through. So welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0. So you have to just keep clicking next, and say yes to it, and try to install it. If anything is missing in your PC, so it will ask you to install it later on, and then you can check all the error messages. Maybe it will ask you to install the Visual Studio or something else, so you can check out those things. So now it has been installed, and finish. When I search VirtualBox on my system, okay, it is already available here, and there are few machines that it already detected it, which has been created by me in the past. So it is a quite helpful software when you want to run some virtual machines and you want to get practice of Kali, Linux, Juniper or any other systems, so you can get the idea about those systems here for the practice purposes. In the next video, I will show you how to install the Kali Linux as a virtual machine in the VirtualBox. See you then.